one person now. Huh? Then one, two. We can three. Three new. Three. We can four. Open four now. But I understand what format. I found out your footing, which is five. One person. Waiting at Chema Hall. I think one, two, we can three. Open now. Back on our phone. Which is four. Back on the five. I think go back. No, I Chema Hall. We say Chema Hall. Now we Chema Hall. And now we single room self-contained. Anyway, Chema Hall. Chema Hall. As I said, I just connect you. I got three.